Hindi umano nangako si Justice Secretary Crispin Remulla kay Senator Rodante Marcoleta na gawing state witness ang mag-asawang Diskaya. Ayon kay Secretary Remulla, bagamat nagkausap sila ng senador, hindi niya ito nangangahulugan na umaayon na siya sa gusto nito.
Actually, gusto ko tanongin sa kanya kung meron siya recording ng usapan namin. Kasi we spoke on the phone for a few minutes. And is that supposed to mean that I already committed to make a state witness somebody I've never met in my life?
Binigyang diin pa ni Secretary Remulla na may prosesong sinusunod ang pagkonsidera para sa state witness.
I cannot take it from somebody that porque hiningi, ibibigay ko na. Hindi po yun, wala po sa power ko yun. Hindi po ganun ng Witness Protection Program. It does not emanate from a request of the chairman of the Blue Ribbon Committee and saying, parang gawin mo itong state witness. It cannot happen that way.